Ready? Let me see. I wrap my arms around this big ducky and I hold him tight. Cause when I go to sleep, I hold him tight. I know everything's gonna be alright. Cause I'm holding him tight. Tonight, I'm holding him tonight. Oh, oh, oh. And when I go to bed, he's with me there. I feel not scared, he helps me with my fears. I wrap my arms around this big ducky. When I'm lonely, it helps me. Cause when I wrap my arms around this ducky, it makes me feel really happy. Cause I told you once, now I told you twice. I get lonely sometimes. That's like why I have this stuff. It is a real disappointment because I really like it and it makes me feel I put good. My hands up in the air sometimes and I'm lonely and say I love you. He makes me feel again. He makes me feel good. He makes me feel that good. He is my only friend. I wish he would come too. He senses and realizes that he is my only friend. He needs to stand up for me. I know he's a stuffed animal. I said, baby, let's go to the bathroom. Cause this little brush my teeth.